So I'm out here at a job today in Lilli Pilli. Customer, I've been out here a couple of times for this one. They have an old, so when they had the cable installed from here, from the lead-in box to the house, they had it, the sparky had put it in the CAT6 cable, right? So obviously you can't put an underground, an internal cable in a conduit, expect it to last. So I checked all the pairs on it, and there was one pair that was sort of okay. It was out of spec, but it was going to get them going. This is when we had those 3-4 weeks of rain. So I booked them in to come and replace the cable from here to the house, but then you know, it just rained every time they had an appointment. So I stuck this temporary one in here for them, just a CAT6, and that got them going because they're down in a bit of a hole here, and they've got no mobile reception, and they've got 4 kids that are all doing their higher education. They've got all their exams at the moment, so they need the internet. So put this in temporarily. So today I am digging in the new one. So I've dug it all through here now. I spent the morning doing the digging, and then I'm now, you can see I've got it popping up down there. Now I've got to do the bit across the pool. So I've got a balancing act here to do. I'm taking, I'm going to show you. The conduit's all buried in underneath here now, and then I've got a bit of flex coming up out of that, and then that's going to go around here, going to go rigid across to there, and then we're going to go up, and then in this room here is where we're going to put the socket. So yeah, I'm in the process of getting this done. So now I've got my conduit going around here, and I'm directly over the pool. I'm going to fall in there today. So now we're going to swing this over to here, and we're going to put a box in that wall, drill through the wall, and then put a socket on the other side of it. Alrighty. And so the cable that we're using now, we're actually using a gel-filled, a grease-filled 2-pair lead-in cable, because it's going underground. So you want something that's, you know, that you can, if it gets wet, it's not going to be a problem. So the cable they use, the CAT6, you can't put that underground, not the blue type anyway. You can get underground ones, but that's not what they used. And now it's starting to rain on me. Fantastic. Okie dokie, so the part's all done there now. It's snaking around there. You can see at the front door there, it's just popping out there. I'm going to drill through that front of the wall here, and then put a socket on here. So you've got a power point right there. So that's going to put a little table here, put the router and everything on there. So that's done. Now I've just got to connect it up into the box, disconnect the old cable, test it all, and it should work. All right, easy done.